Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to quickly create an amazing AI website and email list funnel with WebSim.ai. So now let's begin. So here's what we need to do first. What we need to do first is open up our web browser and search for the WebSim AI. Now click on their website and then sign up. So after we've signed up, you will see a search bar in their website. Now here, this is the important part. You will need an interesting prompt that is gonna generate your website. Here, we will try a website dedicated to anime. We're just gonna need to type a website for anime. So, we're just gonna need to wait for a few seconds or minutes. And here, you see the WebSim AI made a website for anime. What we can also see is that the buttons in the menu bar is also made. The anime list, genres, news, and even community work. The WebSim AI made all the components of the website. And that's how to quickly create an amazing AI website and email list funnel with WebSim.ai. And that's everything for this video. Now if this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.